Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the studio. Today I'm trimming and making handles for mugs. I have a show coming up and I'd like to make some new pottery for it. Yesterday I threw a dozen mugs. Let's take a look at them. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the results of throwing these. Lots of nice shapes. Good weight. These were all about 500 grams, except for that one. All the other ones were about 500 grams. Okay, let's get trimming.
Executed with cool precision. Always handles things in a cool, professional manner.
Okay, I got all the mugs trimmed. It took longer than expected. I haven't done it for a while. Let's take a look at these mugs. They are all trimmed up.
Hope you enjoy this special of the week.
It's a lot of work making these. Now I can see why people are charging $30 for a mug.
Make the dough.
Okay, let's get these bisque fired, and then I'm going to come back to these and do an underglaze drawing. Okay everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and click the video for more of Adrian's Pottery Place.